This is a 986 Boxster, and in this video we're going to fix the slop that is in this short shift kit. You can see that side to side is pretty bad. Easily fixable. You can fix it with the center console in place. I'm going to take the center console off to give you a better view of what's going on. We're going to fix this slop with some shims that we got off of Amazon. They are M10 by 14 millimeter. You can be larger than 14 millimeter, so if you can find one that is more of a fender washer or a thicker washer, then that's good. What we want to do is we want to take a feeler gauge and we want to stick it in there and see what kind of slop we're dealing with. I've already pre-gauged this and we're at 0.3, so I have selected a 0.3 millimeter washer and we're going to slide him in there. 13 millimeter wrench. Loosen up this nut, loosen up that nut. We don't need to take off the other nut, but I'm going to anyways, because I don't want it accidentally flopping around, and I want to make sure that I get a good grip on what's going on down here. So just push him through. You can do that, and what I'm doing is I'm holding this. I'm kind of like holding that washer up so it doesn't fall. Now I'm going to take my new washer after I drop it, and I'm going to stick him in there. And the reason why I'm doing this is holding this in here is I don't want him falling down in. If he falls down in, it's not a huge deal, but you're probably going to have to take the center console out to get him out. So I'm wiggling in, pulling that pivot pin or bolt or whatever you want to call it. We're pulling him out, and I'm pushing in that washer. Okay, I've got him almost down in. And we're back in. Tighten our dudes back up. And there we go. We've pulled out that slop. No more slop. I'll put a link in the description on where you can get those washers. Have a great day.